Hello and welcome to my video on my mobile game design mastery journey. My name is Jordan Newsom. I'm a student at Full Sail University studying for my mobile gaming master's degree. In this video, I'll talk about my classes, my 3 goals and 3 strategies for each class. I will also talk about industry interviews, clubs and organizations, my personal network, a Full Sail community, mentor qualities that I am currently looking for in a mentor, and I will do an overview of my timeline and then provide references. My first class will be Mastery, Personal Development and Leadership. In this class, my first goal is to discover and understand my own positive and negative qualities. To do that, I will read Mastery by Robert Greene, published in 2012. The second goal would be rediscover my motivational drive. Strategy for completing this goal will be research various motivational speeches and lectures. My third and final goal for personal development and leadership is to work on my own discipline and focus. To do this, I will create a daily routine and set aside certain times of the day for work. My second class is Computer Science for Engineers. My first goal in this class would be to further my programming capability. I would like to spend at least 1 hour a day in both Visual Studio and Unreal. Visual Studio is for Unity, and Unreal has its own programming, not language, but its own programming tool. My second goal would be analyze algorithm design. To do this, I'll just simply study coursework. The third and final goal is learn and understand application development. Study course materials and find outside help if warranted. The third class is approaches to game design. A first goal will be continue developing programming efficiency. Do this through coursework. That's the strategy there. Second goal would be to create initial capstone idea. A strategy would be to create a GDD or game design document for multiple games and pitch to an audience of peers. My third and final goal would be research market trends of upcoming game releases, specifically mobile game releases. A strategy, browse all available game services, such as Steam, Xbox. Those are Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. My fourth class, Game Development Frameworks. My first goal in this class would be to understand the connection between mobile and micro console technologies. Study coursework, yet again. Goal, research the mobile game market. To do that, I'll use publications and internet sources to gather relevant data. Last goal would be to maintain a GPA of 3.5 or higher. Study adequately and stick to the routine created in month 1. In Agile Software Engineering, my first goal is to use agile development techniques with mobile applications. The strategy would be to use tools learned in my game design bachelor's degree to complete the goal. Second goal, satisfy requirements of stakeholders. Strategy, research market trends of popular mobile games in the genre. Goal, the final goal, is demonstrate understanding of the software process structure. Strategy, complete all courseworks with a 95% or above. In usability engineering, my first goal will be to learn new user experience research techniques. And by completing coursework and researching industry standards, I'll be able to complete this goal. My second goal, review existing usability reports of mobile games. Again, completing coursework and researching other examples will help me complete this goal as well. And the final goal will be to develop a capstone prototype. Use the GDDs that I created in month 3 and see which one gains more traction by this point. That's the one I'll go with to create the prototype. In mobile gaming business, my first goal is to understand the business side of things. Research market pricing and branding. Second goal, discover the keys to a successful game. Study coursework and research relevant game releases. Goal, and final goal, is to grow my network. Utilize LinkedIn and set up Facebook, Twitter page if I haven't done so already. In storyboard and game design, my first goal is to stay ahead of schedule. I generally, mid-course, kind of tend to fall behind, not too much, but just enough to where things become more stressful than they need to be. So the strategy there is to stick to the daily routine and ask for help if needed, because I have trouble. Whenever I need help, I don't generally ask for it. Second goal would be create an effective storyboard for the game's layout. Strategy would be to use draw.io or other available sources. Goal, and the final goal yet again, would be to manage stress. Work on the development at a quick enough pace to get the project done, but not burn out and get overwhelmed. I've struggled with burnout before. It's just not fun. In mobile game development 1 and 2, I'll cover both slides with 3 here because they're the same throughout both. But maintaining focus, the strategy for that would be eliminating outside distractions, such as you just heard. Maintaining discipline would be to continue to follow my daily routine. That doesn't mean eliminating my dog. It just means ignoring him sometimes. Goal, manage stress. Work on the development at a quick enough pace. Again, it's the same one as the last slide, but it's a big one, so it's in 3 slides in a row. My second to last course is mobile game testing. My first goal is to iron out 95% of in-game bugs. The reason why I say 95% and not 100 is because it's practically impossible to get every single bug out of a game. I've never played a game that doesn't have at least one bug. So 95% is a reasonable goal. The strategy for achieving that would be to use the testing techniques covered in the coursework and testing techniques that I learned being a UX playtester at the Full Sail UX Lab. Goal, release a playable demo. I would like to, at this point, be able to release a demo of my capstone game. The final goal for mobile game testing would be to learn to write analytical reports. I'll do this through completing coursework and available feedback from my own testers. My final class will be mobile gaming thesis, technical writing, and professional presentation. The first goal will be to complete and release a fully functional mobile game. The strategy would be just, Apple Store and Android Marketplace. Release it on both, because limiting yourself to one would be not detrimental, but wouldn't be beneficial. Goal: graduate with 3.6 or higher GPA. Again, completing coursework, staying on schedule, and stick to the routine. And then the final goal is to acquire a job in the industry. Strategy would be to complete a portfolio and resume that promotes my understanding of industry standards in order to obtain a job. Potential industry leader interviews is Will Fitzgerald and Torsten Staley at EA, as well as Lionel Rodriguez Matos, also at EA, Kendra Stracuzzi of the Full Sail Career Development Department, not exactly my industry, but kind of encompasses everything. Kyle Rasmussen and Ashley Davis. Out of the 6, I think 5 of those were Full Sail graduates. Clubs and organizations. I am currently a part of Discord's the Game Dev Network Discord, the official Unity Discord, and Full Sail Game Accessibility Group. They're great for game designers. Personal Learning Network. I would like to work at these 6 potential organizations. Focus Home Interactive, Splash Damage, Bethesda, Electronic Arts, Codemasters, and Milestone SRL. Full Sail Community, Discord, the Full Sail Game Accessibility Group. Again, another Discord would be Full Sail Veterans Group, and then just using my alumni connections through the Full Sail alumni. Mentor qualities that I'm looking for: responsive, positive motivational drive, problem solver, and like-minded individual. Timeline for my coursework would be as follows. You have first month, Mastery, Personal Development, and Leadership. Second month, Computer Science for Engineers. Third, Approaches to Game Design, Game Development Frameworks, Agile Software Engineering, Usability Engineering, Mobile Gaming Business, Storyboard and Game Design, Mobile Game Development 1 and 2, Mobile Game Testing, and Mobile Gaming Thesis, Technical Writing, and Professional Presentation. And that concludes this presentation. Thank you for watching.